You probably know this, but all cats have a response when they're pulled on the scruff of the neck, and it makes them submissive and also relaxed and almost kind of like hypnotized. So you can definitely use it if you need to take control of them. You can really take a lot of that scruff and use it. But it can also just be nice for them as far as like relaxing. When you do that, it kind of just makes them like get really chill. So that's a nice little thing to do. Obviously with him, like, usually it's like the harder the better. He loves it. Like, you can scratch really hard all over his head and cheeks and neck. Even with some nails, you can do it really hard. Because if you see how hard they do it to each other. Here, so now he wants a little ear action, I think. No? There it is. Oh, no. This one? And sometimes when you're doing it, they'll bring the back leg up as though they were doing it, you know, and they'll start kicking or whatever. All right. Yeah. And here they love nice scratchies in there. Just generally like all in there. What else? What else do you like? Kissy. What else? Oh, all cats love to be upside down. And they get like spaced out and hypnotized by it. And I think it's because they like, you know, they generally always see the world right side up. And whenever they turn upside down, they just get like really relaxed. We want to look at the world upside down. You want to go upside down, Betsy? There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, way I usually do it once you get comfortable with him. Okay. I usually take him for a ride like this. No, it's not working. What else, B? What do you like? Pats on the butt. I don't go too crazy with it. You see some people really doing it hard, just because they tolerate it. I don't know if it's so good for them. But okay, yeah. See, not too hard. He's not using his claws at all. And he's biting me so carefully. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. I think this kind of stuff, you know, this kind of play is good for cats. This is what they do with their friends, you know, their peers, their comrades. Some people say you shouldn't play rough with your cat with your hand. But as long as there's no blood, sometimes there is, but you know, he was great. I think it's healthy for them, and you're not encouraging aggressive behavior if it's like very clearly affection and play. Anyway, and I think it's, you know, it's good. It encourages more trust too.